So here are three online businesses you can start this 2025 coming to 2026 that you can start. That you don't need capital. You don't need any capital. Okay, wait. You don't need any capital. You just need your smartphone and internet connection and your consistency. Your consistency is needed. Most of you are looking for, oh, get 5k to get 20k, get 2k to get 30k, get this thing. You are looking for easy rich scheme. If you want calm money that you work hard for, and big money that is big money, three online businesses. Me myself, I do. I'm not going to gatekeep on this one. It's three online businesses you can do this 2025 comes 2026 that can actually change your life. The first one is ghostwriting. Now wait, I know there's a course, 40k course, but before I got my course, I was doing ghostwriting before. I used to write before. So ghostwriting is not something that you can just, oh, I'm going to start writing. You need to know the site. You need to know all the site. That's why you need the course. But if you don't want to, you don't have money for the course, it's very easy. You just have to write 5k words. What I say, 5k words and an outline. Then you can submit. You can submit to apply for a contract to all these sites. Now, mind you, this 5k words has to be very interesting because it's the beginning of your story. So you have to be fast with it, put in plot twist, cliffhanger. That's why there is a course for it. But if you don't have the money for the course, it's something you can also start. You just need your consistency and you have to do a lot of research. And I don't know if I'm going to put a profile up, but there's someone in TikTok that gives the site for free. So you can check my videos. You can check my videos for the sites. Most of the sites are there. So you just have to write your first 5k words, your outline, then submit a contract. Then after you submit a contract, if you get an exclusive contract, you get, I think, $1,000 upwards plus profit share. And if you get a non-exclusive contract, you can be able to post that book on multiple sites. Now imagine I have a book. The book name is The Billionaire's Bride. I post the book on 12 sites, and the book is very good. The book starts earning, maybe it ends 1,000 on Good Novel, ends 2,000 on $2,000 so on Starry. Those are big money. That is one. Ghostwriting. You can start ghostwriting with little to no capital. You just need your smartphone consistency, data, and yourself. You just need yourself to oh, I'm going to start this ghostwriting and I'm going to start this ghostwriting. The second one on my list is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing, I also studied affiliate marketing without a course. I started without a course. It was very hard for me because I could not be able to understand what was going on. I was just searching on TikTok, affiliate marketing, on YouTube, affiliate marketing, this one. So you can start affiliate marketing normally. You just need to, some type of affiliate marketing is that you just need to post content. You just need to post that, oh, you are selling a product, and when people buy that product, you get a commission for that product. It's not referral. It is not referral. You're bringing knowledge to somebody and you are collecting a commission for that. So there are platforms that you can get. If you don't want to get a course for it, you can search for platforms like PromptN, Seller, Stakeout. Then you can search for products you think you are very good at, affiliate marketing. Maybe you know how to write. Okay, maybe you're a writer before and you want to promote a ghostwriting course. You search for Seller. Let me use my course as an example. You search for Seller, the ghostwriting profit system. Then you start promote the course. Then you promote the course. So you post on TikTok, you post on Instagram, there's faceless there's faceless affiliate marketing, and there is normal affiliate marketing. You can do faceless affiliate marketing if you don't want to post yourself, you don't want to put yourself outside, you don't want to put your face outside because, oh, you're scared my family will see it, you're scared your friends will make fun of you, then you can do a faceless affiliate marketing. If you don't want faceless affiliate marketing, you can do affiliate marketing where you put yourself outside. You tell them, oh, I'm selling a ghostwriting course. This ghostwriting course, if you get this ghostwriting course, you are going to make so much money, and when people pay through your link, you get a commission. It is big money if you know how to strategize, if you know how to put yourself outside. It is big money. The last on my list is Forex mentorship training. I did not say Forex copy trading. No, I said Forex mentorship training. Now, mentorship training is different from Forex copy trading in the sense that Forex mentorship training is that you are being taught everything you need to know about trading. You're not going to be taught. Forex copy trading is that they'll just put you in a group, and they'll give you signals to be using, and you'll be copying and pasting the signal. But Forex mentorship training is they are going to be taught how to analyze the chart. They're going to be taught how to put out the chart. Now, Forex is very hard to do. So you can go on YouTube. And search for Forex traders. Forex traders get the Forex course. There was a Forex trader I used to teach me. I'm going to put this picture on top. He's a very good trader. He's very, very good at explaining it. From there, you can understand it. And then when you make money, you make a little money from it. You can now use that money that you make from that Forex trading to get a Forex course to understand it better. Now, all these three online business are not something that you should play with. It's not something that, oh, in your first 1 month you will not make money, then you forget about it. It is consistency. I remember last year, because I started all this last year. So it was I first started. I remember last year it took me 9 whole months. It took me 6 whole months before I could get a hang of ghostwriting. Talk less, because that was because I could not get the course because I was broke. I could not get the course. Now, talk less of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing also took me a while. Forex also took me a while. So you also need to be consistent if you actually want these things to work. But if you are consistent, if you are very willing to learn, just know that you are going to make a lot of money this coming year. So these are online businesses you can try out. if you don't know where to start from, as somebody that wants to start making money online. These are the 3 online businesses. This is ghostwriting, affiliate marketing, and forex mentorship training. There are also other things. There are like cyber friends, there is UX designers. There's a lot of things you can do online. So you can just go on ahead and make research on what more you can do online. But the ones that work for me, that I'm giving you, that I'm not gatekeeping, is the 3 ones I mentioned. So let me know in the comment section which one you would like to try out and which one you think you need to get a course on.